The snow may stop, but the danger doesn't. Ice tightens its grip. Machines are pushed to the limit. Out here, one mistake is all it takes. This is winter at full force. Welcome to Industrial Nexus. One slip on a snowy roof and gravity takes over. Funny to watch, dangerous to live. Safety first, always.
bud.
Put your arm out.
Pull out, pull out.
Pull out.
Keep on, keep on.
Oh.
Come on, you're at it. Hey, oh my God. Oh my
等一。
Chilling. Imagine standing anywhere near that pile. I'm curious if the hull is reinforced with steel, because ordinary wood wouldn't survive grinding against sharp rocks without splitting. East Tyrol, 2021. When the snow doesn't just fall, it takes over everything. Don't be a fool on a 20ft ladder this winter. Save your back. Use a roof rake and clear heavy snow safely from the ground. Smart work beats hard work. Winter storms bring more than cold air. Structures can fail in seconds. That's why walking under snow-loaded canopies is a serious risk.
You better pour to her.
This side of that bit of
Holy smokes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Kerää rajusti sitten lunta näihin reunoihin. Olisi vielä ihan tarpeen, mutta vähennellään nyt pikkusen tästä. Kannattaa ottaa vähän noin pois noita, että näkee, ettei sitten itse hori ihan alas sieltä.
This guy has a simple idea to reduce snow load on the roof. Let's see if it actually works.
Ei päivinä syönnössä. Sitä yritettiin käydä sinne. Ylhään talomeet ja sitten vähän vauhdilla heilautetaan se sinne alas. Tästä kun ottaa vielä vähän sen, niin tosiaan aika höttöryä tämä lumi on.
Pato!
One bad move and he goes headfirst into freezing water. Winter doesn't forgive mistakes.
Oh my God!
This train isn't slowing down for Winter. It's bulldozing straight through the snow like the tracks owe it money. All that snow finally gives up at once, slamming off the roof in a split second. Stand there, and Winter ends you fast.
Push. Yes, it does. I see him moving. Let's see if.
Sounds like that.
We know there's one that's close. Oh my dear God. All right. It's your mom. That's bigger than you think. That is bigger.
They got a lot more.
Oh no, oh no.
When wildlife has had enough of winter traffic, even a snowmobile isn't fast enough to argue with a bison.
Oh, buddy! No! Oh no! Oh no! Oh baby!
Whoa. Wow. Listen to that snow peel back. Oh yeah. Got a lot of snow.
Using wires to melt snow off the roof looks clever, until you remember electricity and winter are a dangerous combo if done wrong.
Cool.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Either that dog just got a promotion or winter has officially gone too far.
10 drinks in and we are trying to get bubbly.
He says he's got over 20 years of roof snow removal experience, yet this move says winter still has lessons to teach. The ice suddenly heaves upward without warning, nature reminding everyone who's really in control. Parking near buildings in March is a gamble in Russia, and these guys are incredibly lucky to walk away from this one. Why do operators keep stirring the water with excavators? It looks like they're mixing a giant bowl of icy soup, but keeping it moving likely stops the snow from freezing into a solid wall near the pier.
Check this out. I'm inside my car. This is the button. Watch this. Ready? Wow. This one.
Guy's going crazy with the skid loader.
That ice turned the road into a skating rink. The poor driver never had a chance to steer out of it.
Babe! Babe!
Yeah. Oh, this damn snow, man.
Babe, I think we should put our Christmas tree up.
Our Crocs. Aye.
It slices through like butter, clean, smooth, and perfectly done.
Det finns folk som barn inte ska behöva. Eller hämtning idag.
A massive sheet of snow slides off the roof without mercy. One wrong place, one wrong second, and it's game over. Clearing snow off the car roof seems harmless until a frozen slab slides and reminds you why technique matters.
Somebody left the hose out last night, and now I've got ice cubes.
This ice cylinder maker looks oddly satisfying. Perfectly shaped ice rolling out like it's on an assembly line. Thanks for being part of Industrial Nexus. Winter hits different, right? If you felt the rush, hit like, subscribe, and click the next video for more heavy-duty action. See you on the next snowy ride.